Next, you will see from 11th company onwards up to 100 companies with a light music and gently go through all the details. And you will have the company's headquarters, the founder here, the focus areas and sector in which these companies, the startups are working. So, very good golden opportunity is possible for all the freshers and also their students. You can upskill yourself, you can upgrade yourself with artificial intelligence skills to work in these sectors. It's a golden opportunity. So, when 100 companies I'm giving you the list, so you have to upgrade yourself accordingly and thereby you can market yourself in these companies. So job is always available, but we have to keep ourselves in tune with the latest technology. Kindly go through all these company details and good luck. Have a great time. Since 100 companies details, I am not giving my voice, but I am releasing the information with a very nice classical music play on. When the classical music is on, you will enjoy the details of the companies. Wherever you want to get more information, just make a pause and the respective website of the company is there. You can go inside the website of the company and you will collect more information about that company. So, my dear friends, this video will be very, very useful for you in terms of research angle. In fact, somebody can even prepare a very good PhD thesis through this type of data mining activities, and it is very, very useful in the case of the research areas and higher level learning and higher education also. Have a great day. Good luck. Kindly subscribe to my channel so that whatever I am releasing the videos, those videos will reach you. I am working for a social cause. I am really working for a kind of service to the students and freshers nowadays. Hope you will enjoy this video and subscribe to this channel and have a great day. Good luck. dear friends, you are welcome to YesBytes Edu Hub. This Edu Hub contains lot of videos dynamically on higher education and research, webinar talks on latest topics, great leaders motivation, soft skill, information technology, digital transformation, conferences, workshop materials, technical symposiums and paper presentations, leadership talks, yoga information, how to face interview, JEE mathematics, and so on and so forth. So, please like the channel, subscribe to this channel, comment on every video after watching, and share this channel with your friends so that everybody can enjoy this channel. It is a service to the students, faculty, and researchers by eminent personality Dr. S. Sridhar was the former Vice Chancellor in many universities with 20 years of industrial experience and 24 years of educational experience. Hope you will love the channel. Have a good day.